In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Zoom extension to Firefox in just a few easy steps. This is a quick way to make joining Zoom meetings faster and more convenient right from your browser. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that opens up all of Firefox's main options. From the menu, click Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the Firefox Add-Ons and Extensions area where you can search for browser tools and add-ons. Once you're on that page, click Extensions. This helps narrow your search so you can find the Zoom add-on more easily. Now go to the search bar and type Zoom. After that, look for Zoom extension in the search results and click on it. Make sure you choose the correct extension so you get the official Zoom add-on. On the extension page, you'll see an option that says Add to Firefox. Click that button to begin installing the extension. Firefox may show a confirmation prompt next. When it does, click Add to Confirm. After that, the Zoom extension will be installed in Firefox and ready to use. You can now use it to help connect Zoom meetings more quickly from your browser. And that's it. You've successfully added the Zoom extension to Firefox. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.